As Hurricane Dorian was bearing down the coast of Florida, we, Powerline Services, received a storm response request from Florida Power and Light. Immediately, we went into our storm mode and began preparing a response plan. That included identifying what resources and equipment that we had available to respond to the event. We were given 48 hours to respond with all personnel and people that we had available to travel down to the state of Florida. Immediately, we, PLS, identified that we didn't have the workforce available to fulfill the full request. We reached out to Tessco Energy Services as well as Sun Electric to identify what they had available. Their team immediately responded back with over 40 plus personnel and the appropriate equipment necessary for the response. And within 48 hours, we had over 60 personnel en route to the state of Florida to respond to the event. This is the first time PLS and Tessco collaborated on an event like this. Thankfully, Dorian didn't hit Florida directly, but we gained very valuable experience working together, and we're better prepared to join forces and respond to events like this in the future.